Let's determine the results of the arithmetic operations in these programs. So in the first program, I equals 1 and j equals 3, so k is 1 divided by 3, and being both integers, that'll give us 0. Now L is I modulo k, so I is 1 and k we just calculated as 0. So this would give a runtime error being an arithmetic exception, given that this is a divide by 0. Now in the second program, we have I is 50, so j is 50 modulo 49 plus 1. So using PEMDAS, the modulo operator has the same precedence as division and has a higher precedence than addition. So this expression gets evaluated first, and 50 modulo 49 gives a remainder of 1. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. Now d is a double, which is assigned the value of j, so j automatically gets widened or cast to a double. And d divided by equals 10 will divide 2.0 by 10 and then assign it to d. So that would give 0.2. Now in the third program, the first 3 lines are identical to this program, so therefore d is 2.0, and then k is equal to d divided by 2.0, which is cast to an int. So the cast gets evaluated first, and 2.0 is cast to an int, and then 2.0 on 2 is 1.0, and therefore 1.0 is being assigned to an int, and that gives a compile error, because we can't assign a double to an int. Now in this program, I is assigned 50, and therefore j is 50 modulo 50 modulo 50, and that's divided by 10.0, which is cast to an int. So modulo and divide have the same precedence, and the cast gets evaluated first. So what we're left with is the following expression. And as we said, modulo and divide have the same precedence, so these get evaluated from left to right. So 50 modulo 50 gives a remainder of 0, and we have modulo 50 on 10, and then 0 modulo 50 is 0 on 10, which is 0. And then we have k is equal to j, which is cast to a double and a short, and plus 55 modulo I, where I is 50. And we evaluated j, which was equal to 0. So 0 gets cast to a short, which is 0, then cast to a double, which is 0.0. Then plus 55 modulo 50. And modulo has the same precedence as divide, so that's evaluated before the addition. So we have 0.0 plus 5 being the remainder. And then 5 plus 0.0 gives 5.0, which is assigned to k. And therefore the output is I, which is 50, and then you have a space and k. And now you should have some practice to be able to determine the output of this program, and post your answer in the comments.